Are you looking to improve your UI design skills or maybe improving the aesthetics of your designs? Well, there's one simple trick which I learned and that really helped me out when I first started out in UI UX design, and I want to share it with you in this video. And it's funny because it's the exact same principle that you would use if you were to learn how to draw. And it's not something that a lot of designers really talk about. And this principle is quite easy. Simply copy examples of success. So if you were to learn how to draw, and by the way, I went to an art academy when I was in high school, and I didn't really know how to draw, so I really wanted to improve upon that skills. So I really became obsessed into figuring out how can I learn to draw in a fast and efficient way. And one of the exercises which really helped me the most was just simply copying great drawings such as the ones of Leonardo da Vinci or Michelangelo. And when I first started out in design and translated to digital design, I thought, hey, how about I try to do the exact same exercise for UI design? So I remember I had hundreds and hundreds of folders and copies of UI designs, and this can be an entire website or even a simple section, maybe like a button with the glow effect and copying the exact same shadows, and those kind of things really help to consolidate your learning and really improve your visual design in a fast and efficient way. And it's actually mind-blowing how well it works, because the moment you start copying and not just looking at UI designs that you really like, it really helps you to get a feeling as to what you need in order to achieve that exact same design aesthetics. And it's really interesting to see how sometimes small details such as putting a 10% drop shadow with a light tint of blue can make a real difference in the aesthetics. And by doing this type of exercises, you're just going to get much more familiar with the visual design, and it's almost going to come second nature. So my best recommendation would be to go on places like Dribbble or Behance and have a look at the designs which you really like, or even just look at your favorite websites and take a snapshot of a portion of it and try to replicate it side by side in your favorite design software, being Figma, Sketch, or Adobe XD. It's all the same. The basic principles are going to translate throughout any design software. Now, of course, this is going to improve only your visual design skills, but the UX and the logic and all of the research part and strategy is not really going to be influenced. So see this as an isolated exercise specifically focused on improving your visual design skills. So if it's just as going to the gym and doing a biceps exercise, you're going to, for the very most part, only train your biceps and maybe some lateral muscles, but it's not going to have an influence in the core. And also be sure not to put these designs in your portfolio, since that would be simply plagiarism, and there really isn't a point in doing that anyways. So this is pretty much it. I discussed this in more details in my upcoming course on how to become a UI UX designer. So stay tuned on that if you're interested in these type of topics. And on my YouTube channel I have over 300 videos on UI UX design, so if you're interested in more of these type of videos, feel free to check out my channel and subscribe if you haven't already. And hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.